Yeah, thank you, sir. Since this subject is related to government college, engineering college, regarding Rongjeng Degree Model College, I also want to know some answer from Honorable Education Minister. May I know the reason why our teachers of Rongjeng Degree Model College are not getting salary for almost 4 months, and even principal also, he is not getting salary for 9 months. This morning he's calling me and he's complaining me. He's talking about his hardships. Even he is going to college on scooty, and even his wife also not respecting him anymore. So, sir, is there any reason behind this not getting salary?
The mic, please.
Mike.
Use. Oh, sorry.
However,